everyone, welcome back to my channel Somna Kids World. I hope you all are doing good. So today I'm here again. I'm going to share with you it is about UKG English Worksheet Part 2. About Part 1 worksheet, it is already there in my channel and link already I have shared it in my description box. You can go through that link. And about Math UKG worksheet, that link also I've already shared it in my description box. You can go through that. So now let's start this worksheet. So the first question is write the rhyming words. About rhyming words, this about rhyming word video also there in my channel. You can go through that link already I have shared it in my description box. So the first one is bat. Bat rhyming word is hat. Kit, pit, pot, hot, sun, bun, cry, fry. So this is all about rhyming words. Next one is match the same words. So this side, these words you have to match it, these words with the same word this side also. Like teen, teen, cap, cap, lap, lap, hot, hot, lid, lid, man, man. Circle at words. So here I have jumbled some words and you have to circle only at words. The first one is man, tap, ran, cat. So cat, at, cat. So the right one is cat. Lap, hat, big, map. So the correct one is hat. So circle this hat. Back, gap, fin, rat. So the right one is rat. Next one, make two words of each sounds. So the first one is ig, ig. So you can make two words, p, ig, pig. Then b, ig, big. Next one, in. So the first one is p, pin, bin, b, bin. It, it. So p, pit, b, pit. Next one is b, beep, m, meep. Next question is write a or an. It is about vowels and consonant. About this video, link also I have shared it in my description box. You can go through that. So this is dash umbrella. So umbrella starts with vowel. It starts with U and U is vowel. So this is an umbrella. I have dash orange. So orange also starts with O and O is also a vowel. So I have an orange. Here is dash igloo. Igloo also starts with I and I is also vowel. Here is an igloo. This is dash mat. Mat starts with M and M is consonant. So this is a mat. Write the first letter of each picture. So here I have drawn some picture and kids need to write the first letter by seeing the picture. So this is a picture of a hut. Hut starts with H. So H-U-T, hut. This is a picture of cup. So you have to write here C, C-U-P, cup. Tree, tree starts with T, T-R-E-E, tree. So picture of a ball. Ball starts with B, ball. Next one, circle the correct letters to make the given words. So here I have given some words and accordingly kids need to circle the correct letter. So here eat, it. So you have to circle the correct one. Sat, lit, nut. So the correct one is lit. Next one, bit. So the correct one is hat, heap, pit, pit. Fit. The correct one is lead, sit, lot. Sit. Next one, hit. The correct one is kit, hut, kid, kit. Next question is, complete the sentence using this or that. About this and that, already it is there in my channel. This link also I am going to share with you. You can find this link in my description box. So you have to find it out whether to use this or that. Dash is a house. You can see the house is near. So this is a house. Dash is a tree. Tree is far away. So the answer is that is a tree. Dash is a ball. Ball is far away. So answer is that is a ball. Dash is a flower. Flower is near. So this is a flower. Next one, search up words and circle it. So here I have given these words and from these jumble words you have to find it out the correct word. So the first one is cop, hop, mop, pop, top. So the first one cop. So find it out where is cop. So C-O-P, cough. So this is what cop. So circle this cop. Next one is hop. Let's find it out where is hop. So hop is here. H-O-P, hop. So circle this hop. Next one is mop. Now where is mop? We have to find it out. Mop. Here is mop. M-O-P, mop. Next one is pop. So where is pop? We have to find it out. Pop. Here. P-O-P, pop. Circle this pop. Next one is top. Where is top? Here. T-O-P, top. So like this you have to find it out from this jumble words. Then next one is color the part of the balls that have rhyming words. So kids need to color that side where it is having rhyming words like rod, cot, knot, pad. So the correct one is rod, cord. So you have to color this rod and cord. Next one, job, box, knot, cord. So the rhyming words is this side, knot, cord. So color this side, knot, cord. Next one, pod, knot, sat, bad. So the correct one is pod, knot. So color this side, pod, knot. So this is all about UKG Worksheet Part 2. It is about English UKG Worksheet Part 2. So if you find this video helpful and if you like this video, then please give a thumbs up to this video, share it and comment it how you like this video. So thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to this channel Somna Kids World for more such videos.